Have you ever wondered about the magic that powers up your devices almost instantaneously? What if we told you it's not magic but the power of supercapacitors? In the realm of energy storage, supercapacitors, also known as ultracapacitors, are the unsung heroes. They bridge the gap between traditional electrolytic capacitors and rechargeable batteries, boasting a capacity to store 10 to 100 times more energy per unit volume or mass. This significant storage ability makes them a vital player in the world of electronics. But it's not just about storage. Supercapacitors are also known for their rapid charge and discharge capabilities. Unlike conventional batteries that can take hours to charge, supercapacitors can be powered up in seconds, providing instant energy when it's needed the most. Another advantage of supercapacitors is their longevity. While common batteries have a limited lifespan and need to be replaced over time, supercapacitors are durable and can withstand hundreds of thousands of charge and discharge cycles without significant degradation. This makes them not only efficient, but also economically and environmentally friendly. Now, you might be wondering where these supercapacitors are used. Well, the answer is everywhere. They find applications in a variety of sectors, from vehicles to power backup systems, and even in everyday electronics. They are the silent partners that ensure your devices function smoothly and efficiently. The technology behind supercapacitors involves electrostatic double-layer capacitance and electrochemical pseudocapacitance, which might sound complex, but in essence, it's all about storing and delivering energy efficiently. By now, it's quite evident that supercapacitors are more than just another component in your electronic devices. They are the building blocks of our technological future. And as research continues to enhance their specific energy, power, cycle stability, and reduce production costs, the potential applications of supercapacitors are set to become even more remarkable. Supercapacitors are not just a component, they are the building blocks of our technological future. The journey of supercapacitors is as fascinating as their function. Shall we take a walk through history? The inception of supercapacitors takes us back to the mid-20th century. The 1950s to be precise. A time when technology was rapidly advancing and the need for high-capacity storage was on the rise. Then comes the 1970s, a pivotal era in the development of supercapacitors. This decade saw a significant leap in the technology, marking the beginning of a new chapter in the story of energy storage. The 1970s brought with it the discovery of electrostatic double-layer capacitance and electrochemical pseudocapacitance, two crucial mechanisms that would revolutionize the field. As we moved into the 1980s, the advancements didn't slow down. This decade was marked by further enhancements to the technology, fine-tuning the power and efficiency of supercapacitors. The groundwork laid down in the previous decades was now paying off. Fast forward to the late 20th century, the time had finally arrived for supercapacitors to step into the limelight. They were ready for commercialization, ready to be put to use in real-world applications. Vehicles, power backup systems, electronics, you name it, supercapacitors were there, bridging the gap between electrolytic capacitors and rechargeable batteries. And let's not forget about the recent advancements. The introduction of lithium-ion capacitors, which combine electrostatic carbon electrodes with pre-doped lithium-ion electrochemical electrodes, is a game-changer. This innovation has catapulted the capacitance and energy output to new heights, marking yet another milestone in the ongoing journey of supercapacitors. The evolution of supercapacitors is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of innovation. The past of supercapacitors is indeed inspiring, but what does the future hold for them? Well, as we move forward, the focus is on enhancing specific energy, power, and cycle stability of supercapacitors, along with reducing their production costs. Researchers are tirelessly working towards increasing their energy output, making them even more powerful and efficient. Imagine a world where your electric car charges in mere minutes, power backup systems that are more reliable than ever, and handheld electronics that have a longer lifespan. This isn't a far-fetched dream, but a potential reality thanks to the advancements in supercapacitor technology. What's more, the advent of lithium-ion capacitors has opened up new possibilities. By combining electrostatic carbon electrodes with pre-doped lithium-ion electrochemical electrodes, these capacitors offer increased capacitance and energy output. The future of supercapacitors is not just about enhancing an existing technology. It's about revolutionizing the way we use and store energy, making our lives more efficient and sustainable. With supercapacitors, we are not just shaping technology, we're shaping the future.